Ravi was a 15-year-old boy from a small town where every day felt like a struggle. His father peddled a rickshaw from sunrise to sunset, and his mother worked as a maid in nearby houses. To help them, Ravi sold biscuits at the bus stand. One scorching afternoon, Ravi sat under a dusty tree to rest. That's when he noticed a black leather bag lying near a bench. He looked left and right. No one seemed to be around. Curiosity and fear mixed inside him as he unzipped the bag. His eyes widened. Neatly tied bundles of cash filled the bag to the top. For a few seconds, he couldn't breathe. His heart thumped loudly. Should he keep it? Should he report it? After a long moment of confusion, he murmured to himself, "Maybe. This is my chance to change everything." The next few days felt like a dream. Ravi bought new slippers, a couple of t-shirts, hot samosas, cold drinks, things he had only wished for before. Suddenly, boys who never talked to him began treating him like a friend. Among them were Arjun and Samir, both older boys who spent their evenings gambling with cards. One day, Arjun nudged him and joked, "Ravi, now that you're loaded, why not test your luck with us?" Ravi hesitated, but temptation won. He joined their game. At the beginning, fortune favored him. He won small amounts and felt unbeatable, but soon, greed pulled him deeper. The bets grew larger. By the end of the week, Ravi had lost more than half the money from the bag. Desperate, he asked Arjun for a loan. Arjun smirked and said, "We're players, not your bank. Handle your own losses." The same boys who once admired him now ignored him completely. His new slippers, the snacks, the temporary respect, everything vanished as quickly as it had arrived. Ravi sat alone at the bus stand, holding an empty biscuit packet. A heavy realization hit him. Money that isn't earned disappears before you even understand its value. Determined to change his life, Ravi returned to selling biscuits. Every night, he dropped a few coins into a bottle hidden under his bed. Days turned into weeks, and slowly, the bottle filled up. One day, Ravi noticed a man selling sugarcane juice near the bus stand. There was always a long line in front of his cart. An idea lit up in Ravi's mind. "If he can do this, why can't I?" he whispered. For months, he saved every rupee he could. Finally, with around 3,000 rupees, he bought a used juicer and set up a tiny stall beneath a shady banyan tree. His first day's earning was just 120 rupees, but by the third month, he was earning more than 400 rupees daily. His hands were sticky with sugarcane juice, and sweat ran down his face every day. But the money he earned now felt different. It felt honest. One afternoon, his school teacher, Mr. Verma, stopped at his stall. "Ravi, you built all this yourself?" he asked with admiration. Ravi smiled and replied, "Yes, sir. No shortcuts this time." A girl from his class, Neha, recorded a small video of his stall and posted it online. Within days, it went viral. People appreciated his hard work and courage. Now, when Ravi walks through the market, people greet him with respect. He is still the same humble boy, but his journey taught him something priceless. Money can vanish, but the success earned with honesty and effort stays forever.